It's fall. What do you do with the bounty of the harvest? I have here a bunch of gorgeous fruits and vegetables that we grew here on the Butterfly Hill this summer, and also some gorgeous sunflowers and pumpkins that I got from a local farm stand. Farm stands are a great way to supplement your garden if you didn't grow as much as you had hoped, or if you don't have your garden growing yet. Also, I have a flat here of plants that we grew from seed, some beautiful veggies and flowers that'll be going into the ground for the fall, as well as a bucket. About halfway through the summer, I take a bucket and fill it with old jars, and as you can see, I have beautiful fluffy milkweed seeds for the pollinators, some beautiful dried beans from my bean stalk. I have some ginger and some garlic that didn't make it in the kitchen. You can see is sprouted that we're going to get right into the ground, so it'll grow all winter long. And this is my marigold jar. Now, a lot of people know about deadheading. Basically, all deadheading is popping off flowers from a plant that are done, that are spent. And that helps encourage more flower growth as the plant grows. And I go ahead and just pop those into my jar. You want to make sure that they stay uncovered. You do not want to put a lid on them because we need these seeds to dry out completely so they're viable. And then we have all kinds of gorgeous fruits and vegetables that we've been canning here all summer long. I have tomatoes, several different varieties of tomatoes. Right now on the stove, I have a giant pot of tomatoes stewing for our spaghetti sauce for the fall. And here you can see a lovely salsa. I made 2 different varieties of salsa so far this year. I'm pretty proud of these 2. I foraged. This is blackberry jam and this is wild plum jam. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to learn more, please join me on Saturday, October 3rd at 10 a.m. I'll be going live for a full hour breaking down all that is fall. To learn more, go to thebutterflyhill.com and join our community.